In this video, we're going to demonstrate how you return an Android smartphone back to its factory defaults. Typically, you would perform a factory reset if you intend to lend, sell, or give away your Android handset. This is because the reset process will deregister your handset from your Google account and remove any personal data, settings, and downloaded content. In order to perform a factory reset, we recommend that you have at least 60% battery charge or you are connected to the mains. You also need to make sure that the handset is able to connect to the internet so that it can automatically deregister itself from your Google account. If from the home screen we navigate to Settings, within Settings we need to locate and choose System. From within System, we need to scroll through the list of settings and select Reset Options. We're now presented with 4 options, to which we need to select Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Next, we're informed that any data stored on the phone's internal storage will be deleted. This includes our Google account, system and app data, music and photos, and any other user data. After selecting Erase All Data, we are asked to confirm that we wish to wipe the phone. If we select Erase All Data for a second time, the phone will begin to factory reset. It is important that while the phone is being factory reset, you do not attempt to power it down or remove it from its power supply. The reset process will be completed when you are prompted with the default screen to add a Google account to your phone. It will be at this stage that it is now safe to power down the phone.